Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this face and body wash. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. In this video, I'm going to be using my black soap. You can also use any natural soap of choice. And after cutting my black soap in pieces, I'm going to add 125 ml of warm water to it, and I'll allow it to sit so that my soap can dissolve. Another ingredient I will be adding is aloe vera gel. I'm using aloe vera gel 61 grams, and in this aloe vera gel I have the store-bought 30 grams and the homemade aloe vera gel 31 grams. That is 61 grams in total. And if you have the homemade, you can use it, and if you have the store-bought, any one of these can go. And also I'm using glycerin, 12 ml of glycerin. And at this point, I'm adding all these ingredients to my soap after it has completely dissolved. And also, I'm also using 20 ml of rose water. You can use any flower water of choice. If you have aloe vera juice, you can use it. If you have rose water, you can use it. Any flower water would do for this part. After adding all my ingredients together, as I'm doing here, this is my aloe vera gel I'm adding. This is the store-bought. And I've already added the homemade. Then I'm adding my glycerin and my rose water. After adding everything together, I'm going to combine it and mix until it has fully incorporated, as I'm doing here. Then I'm using my wicks to make sure I mix together before moving it to using my hand blender to mix it. So at this point, I'm using my hand blender to mix it, to make sure I combine everything together, all the ingredients. And after mixing it together, I'm going to add my preservative, 1% of, I'm using liquid German plus for this. And I'm adding my tea tree as antioxidant in this soap. Tea tree, I'm using 5 drops of tea tree and my preservative as well. So guys, after adding my preservative and my tea tree oil, I'm going to mix one more time. And at this point, my soap, my face and body wash is ready. And that's what I'm going to take a clean container and pour my content in it. Guys, here is the finished result. If you love and enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them, comment if you have any question. Remember, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so, and see you in my next video. Bye.